In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for better team and group scheduling. Whether you're managing a project or simply trying to coordinate with several people, Calendly can be a game changer in organizing your time effectively. First, open up your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you've arrived on the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the site. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click Continue to proceed. You will then need to enter your password and click Continue again. And just like that, you've logged into your Calendly account. Now that you're on the home page, look for the Admin Center. Clicking on this will allow you to manage your team efficiently. Once you're in the Admin Center, click on the option to view your team. Here, you'll get a detailed overview of your team's calendar activities and availability. It's a great way to ensure everyone is on the same page. Next, let's get your team on board by clicking on the Invite Users button. Input your team members' email addresses and click on the Next Set Roles button. Assign appropriate roles to each team member based on their level of involvement in the scheduling process. When you're ready, click Send Invitation. With these steps, your team will receive an email invitation to join your Calendly team, making collaboration a breeze. After sending invitations, it's time to go back to the home page by clicking Back to Home. This takes you back to the main dashboard where we can now set up events. Find and click on Event Types. This section lets us organize meetings efficiently and choose whether they are individual or group events. Since we're focusing on team and group scheduling, click on Group Event. Here you can manage your invitee limit to control how many people can join the meeting. It helps keep things organized and avoids unnecessary confusion. Enter the desired number of group invitees to suit your meeting's purpose and capacity. Once you've configured these settings to your satisfaction, remember to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. This ensures that all preferences are stored and ready for your next collaborative effort. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Calendly for better team and group scheduling. With these tools at your disposal, scheduling should be far more organized and efficient. Thank you for tuning in and happy scheduling.